Marposs with Mr. Luca. And sir, now that you have been working with Marposs for over 13 years, how is your experience in the Indian industry, because you've just made a shift?
Yeah, exactly. First of all, thank you very much, Pooja, for this opportunity. As Marposs group worldwide, we're growing very fast in the last few years. We acquired a lot of company, and we are focusing, really focusing our resources and our interest in the Indian market. We are thinking that India, at the moment, is the first economy in the world, or at least is driving to become the first economy in the world. So we are looking forward to make investments, hiring people, starting our technical solution for the local customer in order to be more closer to the customer here in India, and also to provide our solution in a faster and the cheapest way. So I think that we are in the right place in the right moment. I think that is collapsing everything in the best possible sense.
And you have also participated in IMTEX in the forming section for the second time. So how has that turned out for you?
Yes, exactly. We obviously, after the COVID, we are looking forward to participate again to the event, finally meeting customer, people face to face, etc. But obviously, this year we came here with more revamp, because we are bringing much more technology solution that I think that will help us to unlock this market. Sure.
With the Industry 4.0 that is coming in, what are your thoughts on that?
I say that one of our latest acquisition in Italy, we acquired a software company, a dedicated software company for the Industry 4.0. So we are developing our own software, our own way to manage the Industry 4.0, and I think that for sure in the next few years this will be dragging a lot of investment, etc. So because the future will be all the machine interconnected, each one in the network, and be able to manage and control there with predictive maintenance and other things everywhere in the world. So.
And you said earlier before that you are looking forward to hiring people in India, expanding. And so what do you expect in terms of expanding in India? What is that you expect in terms of business when you say you expand in India?
Expanding means we are looking at the moment, we are evaluating at the moment to increase our office. So I mean, at the moment we got 5 offices all over the India, and we are around 100 people. The idea is to reach 120 by the end of the year, and with these technical solutions that we should be able to provide to our customers in India, also to starting to produce something locally. So there will be hopefully more and more hiring in the years to come, that's for sure.